While there is a ton of vulnerability and unpredictability on the lookout, numerous financial backers see extraordinary likely in different coins. The prominence of the torrential slide network has been credited to its hardy essentials and the different advantages it offers. These incorporate its lightning-quick exchange paces and versatility. With an ongoing return on initial capital investment of 3,337.96%, the organization is certainly worth putting resources into. The coin's worth has developed fundamentally, offering a great possibility for what's in store. Be that as it may, completing reasonable level of effort is fundamental prior to putting resources into any crypto coin. You should know about authentic value patterns and specialized examination to know the best opportunity to trade your crypto coin. Thus, to put resources into torrential slide and need a definite investigation, we have one for you. We will examine the torrential slide cost expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030. Along these lines, you can come up with an optimal system for putting resources into this coin. Torrential slide outline first. We want to get an outline of the coin to grasp its general advancement. Torrential slide is one of the top performing crypto coins that has kept up with its development. Thusly, it has turned into the top pick for the majority financial backers as of late. The ongoing cost of the digital currency known as torrential slide is $13.45. It is positioned 18th in the crypto environment. The organization has a flow supply of 310,564,672 and a market cap of $4,177,736,564. The cost of the torrential slide has expanded by 1.75% as of now. This is because of the expansion in its exchanging volume. The most recent 7 days have seen the ascent of the torrential slide organization. It's as of now in a solid vertical pattern and could be an extraordinary chance to get in on the activity. The cost of the cryptographic money known as torrential slide has diminished by 15.449% somewhat recently. This unexpected drop has made the coin turned into a decent purchase, a valuable open door for financial backers. The new market auction is one reason that the costs of all crypto coins have definitely fallen. Torrential slide has lost around 80% of its worth since February 2nd. The Russian intrusion, calls for guidelines in the crypto market, and tech auction are only a couple of purposes for torrential slide's extraordinary cost fall. Torrential slide value forecast 2023. The torrential slide establishment has as of late sent off a program pointed towards speeding up the reception of its inventive subnet usefulness. This permits a rich biological system of blockchains to be fabricated. The objective of the torrential slide establishment's motivator program is to help the advancement of new biological systems. It's likewise centered around supporting the reception of its subnets, a Web3 dApp scaling arrangement. The cost of the digital money known as torrential slide could increment by up to 15% in the event that the organization's advancements proceed. Notwithstanding, assuming that the market neglects to refresh and the cost of the cash deteriorates, then it could drop to $13.76. In view of the potential situations in general, the normal cost of the digital money by 2023 could be around $14.74. Financial backers ought to recollect that these costs are liable to change because of the great unpredictability on the lookout. It is essential to remain refreshed with the recent fads to guarantee you can contribute brilliantly and get an ideal profit from your venture. Torrential slide value expectation 2024 specialists and examiners have an uplifting perspective for digital currencies in 2024, since the ubiquity and the familiarity with computerized resources would build. The interest for different digital currencies, including torrential slide, will keep on developing. In this manner, we can hope to see an expansion in its worth. The solid essentials of the organization could prompt more acknowledgments and new receptions, which would push the cost of the digital currency higher. By 2024, the computerized symbolic's worth could arrive at a limit of $22.65. On the off chance that the crypto resource goes through critical liquidations, the cost of the torrential slide could drop to $18.91. Notwithstanding, to keep up with its worth, a balance in the exchange practices of the business could assist the cryptographic money with coming to $20.78. Torrential slide value expectation 2025. It is implied in the forecast of the cost for a drawn-out period that one ought to break down the verifiable information of the cryptographic money. Doing so assists one with deciding how it acts when the bear market dominates. On the off chance that the altcoin gets impacted by bad feelings or administrative limitations, the cost of the cryptographic money could tumble to $22.77. Nonetheless, on the off chance that it can defeat these hindrances, the cost of the cryptographic money could reach $25.31. Many individuals accept that the job of blockchain innovation and digital money will increment altogether by 2025. Subsequently, there is a decent opportunity that we can see a positive effect on the crypto market. An expansion popular for the torrential slide will push the coin's worth up. In any case, financial backers need to know that these are simply hypotheses and shouldn't put resources into the coin in view of these projections. You want to watch out for the changing elements in the financial circumstance that will affect the crypto coin's worth. Torrential slide long haul estimate 2030. Since there are no set boundaries or key execution markers, it turns out to be somewhat difficult to foresee the crypto coin's worth in the long haul. Dissimilar to stock, no monetary records, articulations, incomes, or proportion examinations can assist you with assessing the coin's worth in the following 5 to 10 years. By and by, we have gathered information from different examination devices to give you a thought regarding the conceivable worth of the torrential slide coin in 2030. The crypto coin will probably exchange around the normal cost of $790 to $800. The most noteworthy exchanging worth can be around $930, though the least cost for the torrential slide coin can be about $750 to $760. Most financial backers will generally contribute for a drawn-out period to partake in a decent return and to save themselves from unpredictability. Torrential slide value examination. The torrential slide digital currency was disclosed in September 2020. While the coin was exchanging for around $3 to $7 in the initial 4 to 5 months after its send-off, its worth saw a quick flood in 2021. The coin's worth came to $47 continuously 7-day stretch of February. Be that as it may, the coin's worth declined for the following a half year prior to arriving at an unequaled high worth of $146.22 on November 21, 2021. While the crypto coin encountered some high points and low points, it's seeing a negative pattern since the third 7-day stretch of WAC 2022. Torrential slide coin has lost over 80% of its worth and is exchanging at $23 as of July 19, 2022. The unpredictability of the cryptographic money market has impacted the cost of the torrential slide. Over the most recent 14 days, the altcoin has dropped by 25.0%, given the ongoing positive market cap. This present time is a decent opportunity to purchase this resource, albeit the cost of Avax has dropped by 4.7%. Still a wise venture for those who are hoping to add a couple of currencies to their assortment. The cost of the altcoin changed between a high of $146 and a low of $48.06 during the beyond 90 days. This addresses a 208% swing. The ascent of the torrential slide has been credited to the rising number of exchanging meetings. As per the ongoing information, the volume of exchanges has expanded altogether during the beyond 4 months. The absolute stock and the size of the market are a portion of the variables that impact the cost of the altcoin. On May 4, 2022, crypto trading company Valkyrie uncovered that it would start offering institutional financial backers the amazing chance to partake in the improvement of the torrential slide trust. This association will permit them to get more openness to the blockchain innovation. It likewise opens up additional entryways for future undertakings inside the environment. Torrential slide expectation end.